Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you step by step how to add the Xenon bot to your own Discord. So guys, first step, go to your Discord. As you can see here, I'm with this my server, and go to this icon, click here, and top right corner click on app directory as you can see here, and tap Xenon as you can see here. But this is one you can make, guys. Click on the first link as you can see here, first result on the search, and make sure you have correct server, and click add the app and click continue and authorize this. So guys, this bot is added successfully on your server as you can see here, and close. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.